Hello guys, this is lesson number 4 from my course about Vue Inertia in Laravel. It will be about links and how the single page application works with Inertia, how to link pages between each other, and also how to use Laravel route names inside of Vue.js components in Inertia. Again, if you want the full course and you don't want to wait for all those lessons on YouTube one by one, day by day, you can still purchase the full course here at laraveldaily.teachable.com, and also you will get the full repository access. Now let's dive into today's video. Now let's talk about links in Inertia. What do I mean by links? Let's create another page. So currently we have just the list of posts. Let's create a static page like about us or something like that. And we will create 2 links above the table to link between the pages. And you will see what is the benefit of Inertia, that it gives the SPA functionality, single page application. So after clicking the link, the page will not refresh the full page, only the needed part will be refreshed with JSON. Let's take a look. So let's start by creating a new component. So currently we have pages, posts, index, view, and let's just do file save as. We will delete the post subfolder and call it about.view. And we will remove all of the content except for one div of coming soon, the text. Then we don't need the script at all. It will be just a static page, about view. And since in the main app.js we have defined that we are taking the pages from here, the link to that will be Inertia about. So let's create a controller, or in fact, let's not create the controller, and I will show you one more trick. So for the post, we have a controller which renders the Inertia. For the about, we will do route view about to the about blade. That's how we would do that in Laravel. But for the Inertia, there's also a similar syntax, but we'll link not to the blade page, but to Inertia component with route Inertia. And here we specify the component which is about, which would automatically be resolved as resources.js pages about.view. So now when we load about, let's see what happens. We do have that coming soon. Great, so we have our second page. Now let's build those menu items and links. At the very top of template of post index, let's have this. So href posts, for example, right? And posts, and then would have similar href about, something like that. Let's add margin left 2, so it would be a space between them, and we're good, right? Let's refresh. So let's refresh our posts, and we have 2 links above, right? Or let's actually move it inside of this min full like this. Build successful, refresh, and actually let's also add a class of margin top 4, for example. Again, build successful. Okay, better. Now, if we click the posts, it doesn't do anything. If we click about, it is working. But those links are full refresh links. They are not Inertia links, they are just regular HTML Laravel links. So if we take a look at the network here, what is reloaded? If we click posts and if we click about, as you can see, full page with CSS, with JS, everything is reloaded. So this is not the single page application, and this is not the behavior we want. That's why we need to add Inertia links instead of href. But the syntax is pretty similar. Just we replace a with link, like this. And here we have link. To enable that, we need to import the link component from the Inertia. So we need to do import link from Inertia Vue 3, as suggested by PHP Storm. And then we need to actually use that as component here. So components, we will load the link as well here, and then we can use it on top. Save, build successful, and let's copy the same thing to the about view template. For now, we're just copy and pasting the layout, and later, very soon, we will talk about layouts and we will stop repeating ourselves. But for now, let's just stick with that, and let's do h2 about us and some text about us, something like that. And of course, to use links inside of that about view, we need to have the same script, but just without the object of posts. So this part is not needed, but the link is needed. Build successful. Now let's refresh our page. We refresh our posts page, still those two links, but look what happens if I click about. See, the new page is here, the URL is /about, and only the about is refreshed. I click posts, only one network request. Not CSS, not JS, nothing. So the assets are loaded already whenever I launched the Inertia page, any URL, like go to the browser, and later, if I click the link here, the Inertia link, then only the Inertia component is re-rendered, refetched, and let's see what's inside of that about. The response is component about and some stuff related to Inertia. In the post, the response is JSON, so not HTML, not full page with CSS or anything. We just load the component and then Inertia takes care of how to render that on the page. Finally, to make it look a bit more pretty, let's transform that h2 to class margin top 4 and also text to Excel, for example. Build successful, refresh, and we have about us. Great, so we have posts, about, single page application. Now let's take a look at route naming. In Laravel, I'm a big fan of using route names instead of URLs. So instead of doing posts or about, we should call the routes by their names. So in routes web, first we define the names. So we have posts index, or let's call it posts index, like this. Put it on another line. And route inertia, let's call it name pages about, something like this. And we would like in about view, or in both actually, to have something like route posts index. So we could call the Laravel route in the Vue.js component. And it is not possible by default, but there is a package that easily allows you to do that. It is called Ziggy from Titan Company, which allows you to have route helper in JavaScript. So to install that, we do composer require Titan code Ziggy. So paste composer require. Great. Then according to the documentation, we need to add routes blade in our main layout, which is the main HTML is in app blade here. So before the script, we need to add routes. And also one more thing that is not in the documentation of Ziggy, we need to make the route helper public in our app.js. We need to add one more line. Mix in methods, and method will be route, like this. We save, build successful, and then in our Vue.js components, about view and index view, we need to add this as route becomes a variable. So same here, ref route pages.about, like this, and we will just copy it from here into index view. On top, those two links will be also with route names. Let's see if it works. So we refresh our page and we have the same two links, build successful, about, posts. It works well, but we're now referencing the routes by names, which means that if we change the URL at some point in the future, like for example, pages about, let's do it like this, pages about, save the routes web, and then we do the posts and we click about. As you can see, it still works. So we changed the URL, but since we're calling it by name, it all still works.